Now ideally, we don't want to have to go in here and edit this task whenever we want to switch between dev and production. So what we can do is to create a new set of tasks. So I'm going to copy this line, and what we'll do is call this prod. Now the idea here is that the default task will be run whenever we type grunt on the command line. If we want to run any other task, we would type grunt space and then the name of that task. So in this case, we would type grunt space prod. Now for our development environment, we don't need to do concatenation and minification, but we might need to switch out which files are being injected inside of index.html. So what I'll do is remove all of these items here except for injector, and we'll replace prod with dev. And I'll save this. So now what we can do on the command line is if we type grunt, we'll run the development version, which as you can see, injects our 8 JavaScript files and our 4 CSS files. But if we want to switch to production, we can just type grunt prod. It runs through the concatenation of our JavaScript, CSS, minifies everything, and then injects our minified versions.